Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make my LEGO version of Borat. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, the legs come from this Imperial officer. The torso comes from this Fantastic Beasts character. The head comes from Snap Wexley. And finally, the hair comes from Finn. Doing it correctly should result in a minifigure that looks like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're putting it together. Overall, this is a minifigure that I'm quite happy with, and I hope you all like it as well. If you have any more requests for minifigures that you'd like to see in the future, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. I am taking note, though it may not seem like it, so keep that in mind. If you enjoyed this video, you might like my Mr. Bean tutorial, so I'll put that on the end screen for you if you're interested.